In higher education, we often find ourselves writing the same emails year after year. Whether that's directing students to the same campus resources you always have, or sending a weekly report to your supervisor, there are definitely ways to make your email writing process much more efficient. In today's video, we're going to teach you how to create email templates using Outlook and the tried but true Microsoft Word document. That's not all though. At different points in today's video, we're also going to throw in a few bonus templating techniques you might not have ever known about. So stay tuned and let's get started. When most professionals start email templating, they tend to gravitate towards Microsoft Word because it's a program we're all pretty comfortable using. We generally identify a subject title for our email, and then we write out a brief skeleton of an email that we plan to send frequently before we actually end up saving the document with a title like Email Templates. While this will get the job done, you'll still have to spend some time searching for the email template document every time you want to send that email. Either that, or you'll end up leaving that file open on your computer for the foreseeable future. To each their own, no judgment here. Let's make your work life a little more efficient though by teaching you bonus tip number 1. This tip takes advantage of Word's autocorrect feature to allow you to use shortcut phrases that expand into larger pieces of text. Here's how it works. You'll want to first copy the block of text you want to replicate quickly. In this case, I'm going to select my weekly progress report template by dragging my mouse over it, right-clicking, and selecting Copy. Now I'm going to go to the top left corner of my screen to click File, followed by Options, which will then open a separate dialog box. From here, click Proofing, then select the Autocorrect Options button. A separate dialog box will now open with an empty input box titled Replace. Inside the box, you'll want to type a special character, like the caret symbol you don't use frequently, followed by a single word that will easily remind you of your email template. In this case, I'm using the caret symbol followed by the word report. If you copied your text correctly, you'll also notice your formatted text appears immediately to the right of this box. Ensure the formatted text button is selected above it, then hit Add, followed by OK, before closing out all of your dialog boxes. Now, in any Word document, when you type out that phrase, followed by hitting the spacebar, you'll see your template automatically appear. Consider using this template strategy on your next big report. You might just end up saving yourself some time. If creating your email templates in a separate Word document isn't working out for you anymore, you can actually create email templates within the window that pops up when you compose a new email message in Outlook. The email templating strategy we're about to show you is being shown on the desktop. If you'd like us to end up creating a separate video on making this work with the Outlook web app, let us know by leaving a comment below. From the Message tab, go to the right side of your screen and click View Templates. If you've never used this tool before, you should see a pop-up window with some default templates provided by Outlook. You can go ahead and ignore those for now, as we're actually going to create some of our own email templates from scratch. To do that, click on the Template button at the bottom of your screen. A new dialog box will appear that asks you for 2 inputs. The top input is the title for your template, and not the email subject itself. You'll want to choose a title you'll remember. Our title is actually going to be Subscribe to HandsOn HigherEd. The input box below this title is where you should put the body of your email, like this. Once you've proofread your message, go ahead and click Save. In order to use this template, you'll just have to left-click the name you selected, and it'll appear automatically in the body of your email. So the downfall of this method of templating is that it won't actually allow you to add formatting to it like bolded words or highlights. If you'd like to get around that, just go ahead and type your email as you normally would, add your formatting, and copy the text you would like to the template. Then you'll go ahead and edit your previous template by pasting in the content you copied. Now, when you use that template, the formatting will actually be applied along with it. Well, there you have it. We hope you liked this video. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter at HandsOn HigherEd for more awesome tips and tricks throughout the week. See you all next time.